guys, welcome to today's episode. Actually, I'm on the way driving to Sonoma Drift, Sonoma Raceway. It is my first time driving the car. Right now I'm in the E36 M3, which I have been building it for almost 3 months. So in the last couple weeks, I actually repair the clutch and get the angle kit installed. It's the front angle kit, the wheel adjustable arms and other thing. I haven't been installed it yet. Last week I do a quick alignment for the car, make sure the car is running proper caster and camber before it goes to a test day. So today here it comes, is the test day. I'm super excited because Ken is coming with me today. I don't know if I will show the process. He actually getting a drift car as well. He already got one, and he will bring the car out with me today. It's the E36 328, which has same. I would say, like, when I test drive it, it feels better power compared to this car. I think because this car is more like an M50 setup. That car is S50 setup, and that car is M52. So horsepower wise, probably torque wise, it's a bit upgrade because it's next gen for that. And yeah, so he's going out there learning tonight. I probably will sit with him a couple laps on the donut pad. I will probably test the car in donut pad as well for some transition, figure eights, donuting. Hopefully the car can hold it, fingers crossed, and I should have a fun ride. So as you guys can see, I just carry everything within the car, minus the tire, because I didn't bring tire. I think for a night, night use of the car should be fine with the current tire that I have on the car. And all I bring is some electronic devices, for example the wiring. I'm just on the rush because today I still have work. I just get off from work and going to the track. Has something like missed, hopefully, because there was a lot of buddies in Sonoma that if we need to, we can borrow from them. So yeah, stay tuned. So after a quick tech check, here's the first run. It is really amazing. After the angle kit has been changed, the car feels like a charm on handling, and I would never expect there would be so much improvement if only changing an angle kit. So with the full adjustable options inside the angle kit, you are actually able to adjust your caster and camber, which is your alignment, pretty quickly and easily with this capability. And what I do is negative 5 degree of camber and about 6 degree of caster, and the feeling is exactly like my S13 right now. And of course, the alignment setting is more or less very similar among drifting cars. As I know, you gotta have negative camber and as much caster as possible, so that you'll be able to have your car self-steering. As you guys can see on the dash, the car is actually, when I let go the wheel, they will counter steering, which is self-centering to the other side. and then which help you to make transition much easier and handle more like more predictable ways. So enjoy. And so as you guys can see, by the time when I try having fun, and the car suddenly breaks down, and this is because the bolts that holding the lower control arm, I didn't read through the instruction for Manju solution pretty clear, because I don't understand that. They actually require me to welding the bracket to the chassis, but I don't know, I have to do it even because of my English, and it breaks down, and the lower arm fell off, the wheel hit the fender, it breaks the fender, and then the wheel is just hanging there for a while, and we having a hard time to put the car onto the trailer that night, and we are also, it's already like 9 o'clock at night after we get the car to the gate. So we decided to just have the car wait there, because it charged us like $600 to tow it back. There was only one guy wants to tow it back, and they charge over price for that. And we decided to leave it there for 3 days, because the Soma guys is pretty chill on that. They say a lot of cars do that. You guys may come during the weekend and fix your car and tow it back. So that's what happened on a Saturday, which is 3 days later. And we decided to have a couple solutions then in our mind. One is we try to weld the bolt back. So as you guys can see, Ken is currently try to weld it back by using the welding machine. Luckily, we have a power cable outlet near us, and then all we need to do is just get some extension cord, and we'll be able to weld it. And then, but sadly it's not working from the welding, because we didn't do the process very well, because we are all beginners of the welding. The car actually break down right before we try to get it onto a trailer, and break down on the parking lot again. So we go ahead and have our plan B executed, which is we try to drill a hole through the bracket, and then we put a replacement bolt on it, because the clearance on the bolt is not enough. So that's why we try to grind it down as much as we could. We also use the carriage bolt rather than a regular hex bolt for more clearance inside the bracket. So the result turned out to okay. We're still scared, so we try slowly to ramp up to the trailer, and it looks fine. So, and that wraps up for today's video. This is my first drifting test for the E36 M3 after the angle keep mode. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next one.